So, Thomas, what is this letter?
That is A.
Good job, A. And you know all of your letters. So we are going to work on sounds. So A has the sound ah.
Ah.
Good job. What is this letter?
That is a B.
Very good. And B makes the sound B.
B.
So under A, I have the word D-A-D, dad. Then I have ladder, ladder.
Ladder.
Good job. Now for dad, I'm gonna stop when I hear the sound A. Da. See here, ah.
Yeah.
And then la,
La.
ladder.
Ladder.
Good job. And then B, under B, I have the words blob. B-L-O-B. Blob.
Blob.
So I hear the sound B in two different places. Blob. The beginning and the end.
Blob.
Good job. Then our next word I have under B is Bob. And Bob, like the name Bob. Now, I need some help with two words though. I couldn't decide what column to put them under. Glad. Where should I put the word glad?
Glad. Glad. Under the A.
Yes, very good because glad. Ah, we hear that A sound, so glad. Now I have another word that I need help with. Brown.
Brown. Brown. Brown. O.
So we actually do not have an O. However,
Oh.
yes,
Brown.
that
B.
is okay. Yes. And you know what? I am glad you made that mistake. You know why?
No.
It is okay to make mistakes. You know, you learn from your mistakes. And you know what? There is the letter O in brown. That is so awesome that you remembered. Because we just went over our colors last week. Remember, we did B-R-O-W-N, brown.
Brown.
We showed you the brown crayon. So, but that is okay. Mistakes are okay. I want you to repeat after me. Mistakes are okay.
Mistakes are okay.
Yes, you get to learn from them. But very good, we have brown.
Brown.
So let's read all the words in the A column. Dad, ladder,
Ladder.
glad.
Glad.
Good job. Then under B, we have blob,
Blob.
we have bob,
Bob.
and we have brown.
Brown.
Good job, and this is our practice today with sorting with our sounds.